Hello?
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So this video was highly requested because a lot of you guys were showing me this nail kit and wanted to try it. So I was like, dang, it does have a lot of stuff. So it has nail forms, it has a buffer, it has a dapping dish, a dapping dish, the acrylic monomer, a glue, powder, primer, nail tips, file. This right here, I had to smell it and everything because this is what you actually put in your monomer for it to smell good. And you guys, it actually works. It's literally a 10, so I like it. It took me forever to figure out how to get those nails. Listen, let's just not even go there. We're not even gonna go there, y'all. Like, we not. But yeah, this was definitely highly requested. It comes with all the instructions, a bigger brush, which is nice, and you know, your little cuticle pusher, nail tips, things like that. So right here, I'm just prepping my nails. I'm just pushing back my cuticles. And you guys, this kit was so highly requested and it's so worth it because it's $15, and at some Walgreens you can get one for $15 and buy the other one for 50% off. So that's perfect, and it literally brings everything. And y'all, you guys, I've had these nails on for a little while now and I'm loving it. I love the curve, y'all know, but I have to take them off because I have to start recording for Monday's video. But I love them so much, they're so cute. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this video. I will be coming in and out of the video just to say what I'm doing, but definitely check this kit out. It's way better than all the other kits. Only thing that I didn't like is that it kind of turns a little bit yellowish, so I kind of wanted to try it with like encapsulating and see if it'll do the same thing. But not only that, let me know down below in the description box if you guys would like to see a video of me working with the nail forms, because it does come with nail forms. So it literally brings everything, like everything you need, it brings it. So I'm a huge fan of this nail kit. This is actually my favorite nail kit that I've tried from Kiss, and it's definitely 100% from me. I definitely love it. I like it. Definitely go out, check it out for yourself. Let me know what you like. So as you guys may know, I've been liking, before I put my nail tips on, cutting them and then shaping them. So that's all I'm doing right here. It's just easier for me, especially if you're doing your nails on yourself. This is a quick tip to cut and file them while they're off your nail instead of on your nail, so you don't, you know, have to go through all of that. So once I am done with all of that, I'm going to actually start gluing on the nail tips. And like I said, I used everything that was in this nail kit. Only thing that I didn't use that was in the nail kit, which it didn't come with, was gel polish, the nail lamp, and the little stars that I got from Daily Charme. If you want to enter to win these stars, definitely check out a couple of videos in the past. I will link everything down below for you in the description box, so you can be able to win some Daily Charme products too, because I am doing a giveaway for you guys. So definitely check that out. And yeah, so right here I am just shaping up the nail and doing all of that. Like I said, I'm going to be applying them with the nail glue that came inside of the kit, and then once I do that, I'm just going to go in with the primer that came inside the kit, and then I'm going to start applying the acrylic. And the acrylic monomer little bottle thing that it came with, that you put a couple of drops in and it makes it smell really good, kid you not, you guys, it truly works. Like, I didn't think that it was. I had to smell the little bottle because I'm like, this is not gonna work. Y'all need to stop trying to play me out here in these streets, paying $15 for something and it ain't gonna work. But yeah, let me tell you something, okay? This thing works. Like, you don't understand. It works. This little bottle right here is pure genius. I mean, you can still kind of smell the monomer, but kid you not, it smells like green apple. Like, who does that? Like where do you do that at? So I definitely like that. Definitely a tip. I know one of my subscribers on here was asking me if I can find one that doesn't smell, and definitely check this one out because it smells really good. I mean, it smells like something, but it smells really, really good. It smells like green apple. Like, you can't go wrong, because I've had acrylics that smell and I'd be like, what is this? Like, ew, disgusting. But other than that, definitely check this one out because it smells like green apple. It smells really good. So right here, I'm just going to be using the acrylic brush that came inside of the kit, and I'm going to be applying the monomer and the acrylic, and that's all that I did. And then I did use the nail file. I didn't use a drill, so definitely stay tuned because this week I am giving away a drill. Definitely stay tuned. You don't know what day it is and you don't know what video it's going to be, so just make sure you keep your eye on that. I want to make sure that my subscribers that are actually watching and not just watching for the giveaways are actually winning, so definitely check that out, okay? And then I want to do another polygel video this week. You guys definitely know that press on Thursday is coming up, so I kind of wanted to go to like Walgreens and buy press-ons and show you how to apply those and how to take them off. So if you would like to see that, definitely let me know down below in the description box so I can put up a video like that up also, or if you just want me to do my plain old pressed on nails and decorate them. So just let me know what you guys think and what you guys have in mind, so that way I can put it up for you guys. But yeah, I'm just going to let you guys watch the video now, and then I'll just be coming in and out to let you guys know what I'm doing. So once I was done filing, shaping, and puffing the nail, I'm just going to go in with Madam Glam's gel, builder gel in a bottle. I used this color first, and then I used a darker one. I didn't want to use the darker one for both coats because I didn't want it to be super dark. I just wanted it to be like nudish. So that's kind of why you see me switch out the colors in between, because I wanted like an in-between color. And yeah, so I did cure after each color though. So I cured this color and then I applied the other one, and then I just applied the stars and a top coat, and that was about it. You have to cure these because they are gel. You could definitely find something similar at like Walgreens or Walmart, Target, you know, just a regular nail polish that's a nude like this, if you just wanted to use nude polish. And then you can also use the CCV, which you can get from Sally's Beauty Supply. And yeah, so you can kind of get the same design with just a regular polish. You don't have to use gel, and you don't have to use a nail lamp if you're trying to stay in a budget. So definitely check that out. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was very highly requested from you guys to try out this nail kit. I know a lot of you guys are kind of sick of the kiss videos, and then a lot of you guys love them, which is why I put them up. But I'm definitely gonna keep them coming every week because there's a lot of beginners out there, you guys. It's not only professionals, and I also do professional nails on my page. Like polygel is a professional product, regular acrylic is professional products, and things like that. So I want to incorporate beginner videos out there too. So please, please, please be good to those that are beginning. Trust me, we all started somewhere. I just wanted to throw that out there. Beginners have to learn too. So that is why I'm putting out these videos for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much for watching. Let me know down below in the description box if you guys want to see the nail forms in this kit, you know, different things. So I could definitely do that for you guys. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you have a blessed day.